Hey guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and in today's video we are going to do a short and sweet recap of what happened in the XAUUSD market strategies for today, because I found another really strong, powerful move in today's market that I really need to show you guys and detail and explain in order for you guys to learn from it and just use it as further information. So without further ado, let's jump right into those charts and review that huge, powerful move. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and like I mentioned in the intro, in today's video we are going to review some really powerful, incredibly powerful move in the XAUUSD trading strategies for today, because it's been one of those crazy days yet again. Gold has been behaving like on a schedule lately. I mean, I'm talking about in the past 2 months already. We have been seeing some really insane, crazy, powerful moves from the XAUUSD market strategies, and it's only good news for us. And I will get into the details of today's chart in a second, but I just need to show you guys exactly what happened, because this is really good for you guys to know in order for you to improve your skills and your trading life. Okay guys, so what you're able to see on the screen right now is just one of the snippets of today's market where the XAUUSD trading strategies have been the best. And I mean, this is not by any chance and by far the only powerful move of today's market. This is just one of them, and I just want to go through it and explain it to you guys, how I found it, how I usually find these trends. It's just a matter of sharing this kind of information and skills and tips and tricks with you guys so you can use that information in your trading life, in your trading skills. Because at the end of the day, we are all here to learn. That's why most likely you are here on this channel to watch this video in order to improve your trading life in the XAUUSD market. As you all know, gold is kind of a tricky market to play with or to trade in, especially if you're new to the market and you don't know what you're doing. It's really difficult to find the right balance into risk and opportunity. But don't worry, this is exactly what we are going to talk about today, and what I'm going to show you how to achieve that or bypass that if you want. Okay, so we are looking at a snapshot of the XAUUSD trading strategies for today, a snapshot of a really powerful trend that we are looking at right now, where the momentum trading indicator, which is the indicator that I'm using, as you can see on screen, has indicated the starting point of a trend change just around 11 o'clock in the morning, which lasted all the way until, let's say, 2:30 in the afternoon. Now, I just need to explain just a little bit about this indicator, because it's really one of the best tools that I have in the trading market, and has completely changed the way that I'm looking at the trading market completely, especially when talking about the XAUUSD trading strategies, because it's just really clear. As you can see, this is not your traditional candlestick chart. This is a really high-tech, clear, and in-your-face kind of chart that gives you exactly what you need, no less than that, in order for you to make informed decisions in the gold forex trading market. And this is exactly what we need to do in order to understand how the market moves, and in order to, let's say, limit the risks that we are taking when trading in the gold market. Like I mentioned, the momentum trading indicator is something that definitely helps with that, because as you can see, it gives you information on when to get in and when to get out, especially when you don't know what you're doing or you are new to the market. This is crucial information for you. It would be a night and day difference in terms of your trading score for that day, if you want. So what you see here, the red and the green areas, these represent the volatility, or better said, the direction of the market and how the market is moving. And then you have these brick bars, how we call them here at Trade Labs. These brick bars, of course, represent the price in that specific moment and the direction of the market, which is really useful to spot really powerful moves really quickly like that. And of course, you would have the sound notifications from the momentum trading indicator to notify you whenever the starting point of a trend change comes in. So then you can go on about your day and then only return back to the chart whenever you actually need to return back to the chart, and not waste any time spending babysitting it. So coming back to today's snippet, like I mentioned, this is a really powerful trend and not the only trend for today, just to mention that, but a really powerful trend whatsoever that started at 11 o'clock and lasted just until 2:30 in the afternoon. When the trend has actually started until the trend has actually closed, we are talking about a potential that is just completely mind-blowing. And if you're new to the gold forex trading strategies, the past 2 months have been absolutely incredible in terms of what you can do and what you can achieve if you are paying attention at the right time in the XAUUSD trading strategies. So if we were to look just at the potential of this market, and I'm only talking about the potential, you could be making more than this. And of course, I'm talking about one trade out of the whole market day. So imagine if you had this momentum trading indicator to tell you all about when to get in and when to get out at every stage, at every trend. Imagine the possibility of that. We are only talking about the potential of this particular trade that I'm showing on the screen. Let's just say that I like this one. If we were to look just at the potential of this trade, we would be looking at the starting point of a trend change which happened at a price point of 1950 and went all the way up until just around 1973. Now, I know you can do the maths and stuff, but if you do the math behind it, you would be left with 23 points. And for you guys who are new here, points are not pips, but there is a really straightforward way to calculate your pips based on your points. Basically, you just need to take the number of points that you have, multiply it by 100, and there you go, you have your pips. Now, in our situation, if you take those 23 points, multiply by 100, you have an insane potential of 2,300 pips into one trend. That lasted just around 3.5 hours. I mean, that's insane for any kind of forex market. But it's just a normal day in the gold forex trading, especially in the last few months. The XAUUSD trading strategies have never ceased to amaze me in the past 2 months. But yeah, just again, we are talking about an insane amount of 2,300 pips potential that you could have gotten if you had the momentum trading indicator to notify you whenever this trend started to go. And just again, this indicator, like I mentioned, you guys, this is my little secret, my little behind the scenes trick that I use on a daily basis in my trading life. I have found that this is helpful for any kind of forex pair, of any kind of maybe contracts if you are looking for futures and things like that. So this can be applied to anything that you're interested in your trading life, and it would definitely make a night and day difference in terms of your skills and your outcomes. But if you don't believe me, then just try it yourself. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you found it really useful and really informative and really good for you in terms of your trading knowledge and skills. This channel here is definitely one of the places that you can come in and find some tips and tricks that you can go on and use in your trading life. As you can see, the momentum trading indicator definitely helps me with my trading experience, especially when we are talking about the XAUUSD trading strategies, because I mean, just to recap, we have reviewed a trend, one trend that had a potential of 2,300 pips. Anyone could have achieved that, absolutely anyone. And like I mentioned, the momentum trading indicator is making a night and day difference in terms of your trading life. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.